All right, students, I'm going to show you how to make a graph by using Google Sheets. First of all, you need to have recorded your data in this data table here in your final report in Criterion C. Okay, here's where you're going to fill in the conditions in which you changed for your independent variable. Okay, so if you did the position you rested in, you would write position I rested in, laying down, standing up, sitting. Okay, and you're going to do all your trials and find your average. And over here, you're going to open up the Google Sheets that I copied for you, and you are going to change this so that way it fits your experiment. Okay, so like for our OOPS experiment, the ones with the kids from New Zealand did, for independent variable description, you would say temperature of foot bath, and then you would put degree C. All right, that's our independent variable. And it's okay if you can't see it; it'll still show up on the graph. And condition 1 would be 1, 22, and 35. Notice that since I have the units here, I do not need to put them in our chart. You do not want to put any letters if you don't have to when you're making a graph. Like for heart rate, do not put BPM in these cells, or it's going to be confusing for the computer to try to make the graph. Okay, so once you have you replaced what I had with these three, you're going to highlight just the cells that you want to chart. You're going to put insert chart, and I really wanted to make this a bar graph, so I want to make, because it's really not continual data, we did 3 chunks of data, so I'm going to say I want column chart. And now you've got to look at it. Is the title what you want it? If it's not, you change it over here. Okay. Is the axis title what you want it? Average heart rate, BPM, looks good. Temperature of foot bath, is that what you want your title to be? If it is, you're all good. Okay, so then once you have how you want it, you click here, edit, copy, or you can do the shortcuts, and then you come back to your final report under graph, and you hit edit, paste. You can link it to your spreadsheet, that way if you need to make a change you can. And there you have it, this beautiful graph that has everything you need. Make sure you use your graphing checklist, and that you have everything on there. All right, let me know if you have any questions.